Post Oak Hotel at Uptown has earned the prestigious 5-diamond rating from AAA in just 6 months from opening, making it the only property in Houston to receive the exclusive reward. The sleek 38-story tower boasts 250 ultra-modern guest rooms and suites, 20 executive residences, and a 35,000-square-foot conference facility, including the largest ballroom in the Uptown Houston area. Hamilton Hotel, Washington, D.C., a 318-room Art Deco property at 14th and K Streets, announced it will transform into an independent, modern luxury hotel with enhancements rolling out this fall and a full completion expected by spring of 2019. The hotel is just minutes from many of the city's popular sites and monuments and offers more than 6,700 square feet of meeting and event space. Naples Grande Beach Resort in Southwest Florida has announced a transformative renovation of more than $3 million to its award-winning meeting and event spaces. The spaces will offer the latest upgrades in modern technology along with new coastal-inspired design. The 474-room resort is situated on 23 waterfront acres adjoined by a 200-acre nature preserve and has 83,000 square feet of flexible indoor and outdoor space. Vision Hospitality Group has debuted the Edwin, Chattanooga's newest luxury boutique hotel as part of the Autograph Collection, located in the heart of the city's downtown Bluff View Arts District. The Edwin boasts 90 guest rooms and suites, the Whitebird Restaurant, Whiskey Thief Rooftop Bar, Ama Spa, and more.